Are you ready to stop watching from the sidelines and finally buy Bitcoin? Maybe you've heard about it from a friend or seen it in the news, and you're curious. You've heard about the potential, but the whole process seems a little confusing. Don't worry, you're not alone. The world of crypto can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to break it down and walk through exactly how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini, one of the most trusted and secure platforms in the industry. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been dabbling in crypto for a while, this guide is for you. We'll go step by step, from creating your account to making your first purchase. So let's get started. First things first, you need a Gemini account. You can do this on their website or by downloading their mobile app. The process is straightforward, but be prepared for some standard identity verification steps. This is a crucial security measure to protect both you and your assets. Gemini is a regulated exchange, which means they follow strict guidelines, so you'll need to provide some personal information, just like you would with a traditional bank or brokerage. Once your account is verified, it's time to link a funding source. This is how you'll get money into your account to buy Bitcoin. Gemini offers a few options, including bank transfers, debit cards, and even Apple Pay or Google Pay. A bank transfer, or ACH, is a great option because it's usually free, though it might take a few days for the funds to clear. If you want to buy instantly, a debit card or a similar service is your best bet, but be aware there might be a small fee. With your account funded, you're ready to make your first buy. From the home screen, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Find Bitcoin, which is usually labeled as BTC, and tap on it. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to buy. You don't have to buy a full Bitcoin, you can buy a fraction, even just a few dollars worth. This makes it super accessible. After you enter the amount, the app will show you an order preview. This is where you'll see all the details of your transaction, including the price of Bitcoin and any fees. It's a good practice to double-check everything before you confirm. Once you're happy with the details, you simply swipe or tap to confirm the purchase. Congratulations, you've just bought your first Bitcoin. It will now appear in your portfolio, and you can track its value from your dashboard. Keep in mind that the price of Bitcoin is volatile, so you'll see it go up and down. This is completely normal in the world of crypto. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.